It's not that I want to, not to say, but if you only knew how easy it would be to show me how you feel. More than words is all you have to do to make it real. Then you wouldn't have to say that you love me, 'cause I'd already know. What would you do if my heart was torn in two? More than words to show you feel that your love for me is real. What would you say if I took those words away? Then you couldn't make things new just by saying I love you.
Lo mejor que te puede suceder en la vida es encontrar con quién reír, con quién llorar, con quién hablar, saber que alguien se preocupa por tu felicidad. Lo mejor que te puede pasar en la vida es encontrar una verdadera amistad. ¡Feliz San Valentín!
Saying I love you is not the words I want to hear from you. It's not that I want to, not to say, but if you only knew how